Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you a different way of controlling. Let's say I've got a spaceship and I could do something like this. Forever if the, in sensing, forever if the W key gets pressed, I want this thing to point in direction up. So you notice that it tells you which one. So I want it to point up and move 10 steps. This is actually a really easy way to do it. So if the S key gets pressed, I want it to point down and move 10 steps. And then you'll see that we've got W, W and S. Oh, and so, okay, and when what we don't need this one anymore. So I can get rid of that, and we just have these two. So I'll just bring him out into the middle so we can see. W makes him go up and move. S makes him go down and move. And if I just copy this out, we'll get left and right. So A says point left and D says point right. So that way we get up, down, left and right. So it all works really good. That's a great way of having control for something that could move in straight lines like that. Not quite as, it doesn't turn like the car, but it's pretty good. Alright, now, but you'll come up with a problem, and the problem is when we do something like this. If I go to the costumes, and instead of this being a spaceship that's even on both sides, if I come and edit that, so let's say we just rub it out and I do something different. Let's say that we turn that into a boat. You know, I was saying before, you have to draw it like you're looking at it from on top. Let's not look at it from on top. Let's draw it from the side. So let's say I draw a little dinghy and I have a guy sitting in there driving my dinghy, and let's quickly give it some colors. So he's a red boat, got a brown dude driving it, and a blue engine. Alright, here's where you get a problem. This is fine while he's going right. So it's fine while he's going that way, but when he goes the other way, you see we've got a problem. He goes upside down. When he goes up and down, it's also funny. So that only works one way. That'd be the same if it was a dog or a car with wheels at the bottom here. It all goes wrong. So you have to be even more tricky here, and this is how you fix it. Well, actually, I'll show you how to fix it in the next tutorial.